This is the MiDOG All-in-One Urine Collection Kit, designed for fast, accurate detection of urinary tract infections using our next-generation sequencing technology. Each kit contains 5 urine tubes that are pre-filled with MiDOG's proprietary Urine Conditioning Buffer, along with return labels, instructions, and sample cards. Important to note, the MiDOG urine test tube contains a buffer that is specially formulated to preserve microbial DNA for accurate next-generation sequencing. Be sure to avoid contact with the skin and eyes and do not ingest. First, you'll want to label the urine collection tube clearly with the patient's information and the veterinarian's name. For cystocentesis, collect the urine sample using a sterile syringe. Or for a free catch sample, use a sterile container to collect urine during natural voiding. Once you have your sample, you're going to transfer it to the collection tube, as so. Once you've done that, you'll place it into the plastic bag. Like so. Next, you're going to fill out the sample information card. Place the card and the sample into a prepaid FedEx envelope and send it out for shipping. The MiDOG Urine Collection Kit gives veterinarians the DNA-based insights they need to manage UTIs and complex cases, no culture required, and you'll get your results within 2 to 3 business days of us receiving your sample.